Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be makeup. Clearly everything's done but my eyes. So here's what's happening. I just finished the Shane and Jeffree Star series, so I really just want to play with makeup after watching that. Today we're gonna throw it back to the summertime when people were using this palette on YouTube already and use the Jackie Aina palette. Look how pretty it is. A few things that we need to talk about before we get started regarding me, my face. The dryness of my eyelids. Can't figure it out. I just have chronically dry skin, okay? I have eczema. My eyelids are just dry. We're gonna work around it, all right? I use eye cream. Let me know if you guys know anything and if anyone knows any tips, because they're dry. Second thing, my lips. There is nothing on them. They're just this red because they're also really dry and chapped. I did a lip scrub and now there's chapstick on them. So I kind of like when they're red like this though. Like, I kind of like the way they look right now. I would go out without any lipstick on. Third, my friend right here. Yeah. Whatever. Tried to, you know, move her along a little bit earlier, but she wasn't ready to leave yet, so she's gonna hang out. But she's here. Also, my brows. I just put brow gel in them and I kind of like the way they look. They're a little messy. I really need them done, but you know, we're just gonna move past that and start the eyes. I'm gonna get my brushes close and we're just gonna play and chat. God, look how dry my eyelids are. I feel like I should just take this off. You know what? We're just gonna start and see what happens. Starting with ginger, which is just a transition color. This bad boy right here in my crease. It's not terrible. It ain't terrible. I'm pulling this in like here. This is gonna be pretty glam. This eyelid's worse though than the other one. It might also be the primer. I have had this primer for a really long time and there's no cap on it currently. So it could also be that, but you know, who knows? Who knows? I'm going to be uploading new videos every Friday. So let me know what kind of videos they should be. I'm taking this super detailed blending brush, like this small blending brush. Wow, it really just doesn't want to focus. Hey. And I'm bringing in pinker. That doesn't make sense. Okay, wait. God, this is difficult. I forgot. I'm taking pinker, this shade right here. And I'm using this tiny blending brush and I'm just putting that a little bit lower in the crease. Now I'm gonna take that blending brush again with the first shade I took, ginger, and just kind of blend that out. I am avoiding my lid because I'm gonna cut the crease. Oh, well, those two eyes look different. Okay, let's put some more eyeshadow on this one. What the hell? What did I do? I'm gonna put some glitter in my crease, and I don't know if this is a bad idea, but I want to try it. I'm gonna use a clean blending brush and blend out the edge of that a little bit better. Oh my god, wait, that's so pretty. Okay, wow. I think here is where I'm going to cut the crease. Should I try and keep this like fall? Or should I just do it like colorful, like pink and purple? Let's hope that this makeup eyeshadow base that I used, that's like potentially really dried out, works to cut the crease right now, because that's what we're doing. So a trick to cutting your crease is putting down whatever you're using and then looking up, and that's how you know where to make your line. That's my lid. It kind of took on a shape of its own, but I like it, so we're gonna continue and try to match it on the other side. So let's take our bets now and see if I can fucking do that. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I had to make some adjustments to make it a little rounder, but I actually like it better that way. And they're pretty even. I look so funny, but they're pretty even. Do you agree? Are you kind of like, damn, Julia, you did that? Because that's how I feel.
Oh, wow, let me see. I love, that's like a cut crease, but it's like a higher.
Oh yeah, it's like I got a whole new eyelid. We're gonna set this bad bitch with a matte color. What color though? I don't know if I should go off and just like make this mad colorful, or if I should like make it kind of fall, or...
Well, I'm not trying to be mean.
Yeah.
I just don't think the average person is gonna go,
absolutely,
you know, so like
not.
why, I would just go crazy colorful, because I don't think the...
Okay, we're setting with the lightest color in the James Charles palette. It is called... What? There's no names on the back of this fucking thing. This is kind of cool because the stuff I cut my crease with became kind of pink. So what I'm doing right now is taking this kind of red shimmery-ish color from the James Charles palette and deepening the crease a little, or the cut of the crease. I'm focusing it on the curve so it kind of looks like hollowed out, and then bringing it up as I run out of product on the brush. I'm definitely gonna have to put some real brows on after this. Boom. Kind of looks fucking sick if you ask me. I'm gonna use that same smudger brush, taking this brown from the James Charles palette. It's just like a neutral brown. Has a little bit of a green to it. I'm gonna create a smoked liner, kind of creating vaguely the shape of the wing and blending it out, and then I'm gonna have this kind of be like a shadow for my winged liner. What I'm about to do is take this color Sponsored right here, and it's this like greenish shimmer, greenish brown, and I'm gonna use, this is the Morphe M158. It's just a brow brush, but it's really good for liner. I'm gonna use my setting spray to wet the brush, so I'm gonna put the product on it first, Sponsored, and then I'm gonna go ahead and really spray it and just create a wing like I normally would. Ooh, maybe I'll use this same shade and line. Let's try it, right? So I ended up finding my MAC Fix Plus, which is a lot better at wetting the brush. Ooh, this actually looks really cool. Okay. I don't know, I feel like I should add something to it. What do you guys think? Not that you can answer that. I'm gonna take Pinker again, which is one of the shades I used in my crease, and run it right here. We just did Pinker, which is this one, and we're about to do Big Wig, which is this one. Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. It does look pretty sick, huh? I'm gonna tight line my upper lash line and my waterline with a brown Marc Jacobs, just like a gel liner. I feel like I need like a real brow, you know? Just a little more. I honestly really like the way that like a really intense eye look looks with natural lashes. So I'm just gonna do mascara, but like a lot of it, you know? I love like spidery natural lashes rather than putting on falsies. This look might call for falsies. We'll see. I don't even really know if I have any, but we'll find some if I need them. But I feel like it could look kind of cool without them. Okay. Okay, wait. I actually love that. It looks so much sicker with the lashes on. Holy shit. Or with my lashes done. Oh, fuck me. Let me zoom you guys back out a little. This is kind of it. I think I'm gonna put my hair up in like a high pony. Like a pink, yeah, pink scrunchie. Hold, please. Okay, this is definitely a hair up vibe. Except my ponytail is not centered. Lining my lips with Insanity by Urban Decay. This is just a good match for my natural color. So I just lined and filled in my lips. And then I'm just gonna take this gloss that I have. It's Nicole by Buxom. It's a mini one. It was in my sister's room and I took it a long time ago. And go over the lip liner. It's like super pink. But I love it. Dude, I kind of friggin' love this. Okay. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner a little bit with, we're using a whole bunch of palettes here. Lunar Beauty in the shade Beat is a great inner corner highlight. I'll show you. It's such a pretty shimmer. Hold on. Oh my god, I love that. Do you guys see what I just did with my eye? I threw mad shimmer in there. Ooh, child. Can you guys even tell? I mean, come on. Look at that. Okay. So, I think this is it. Definitely not a wearable like tutorial look, but I honestly just wanted to like play around and have fun. And for a while there, I didn't know what I was really doing. And this definitely was like a super informal video. I just wanted to sit down and film something and do my makeup. So if you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know that for real if you liked it, because then I'll do more of this kind of like more creative makeup videos. But the next one I film is definitely going to be like a real tutorial on a look. I just have to figure out what look it will be. So I actually love the way that this looks. I didn't really like it at first, but I think it's super fun and different. And I'm going to go take some pictures of it now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these YouTube videos back. I know that I've done 2 like kind of crazy videos, but again, like I said, I've got a Boston vlog coming because I'm going to Boston this weekend. I'm going to vlog it. Anyway, enough about that. Thanks for watching this video. Please let me know if you liked it so I can know if I do more or not. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.